let's remove this panel. I'm going to use a trim tool, take these clips out. Okay, take this panel off. Take this bolt out, use a 10mm socket. And there's 4 of these twist retainers. Just take a Phillips head screwdriver and just twist it about 1/4 of a turn. And there's another one down here underneath. And 2 over here as well. And just grab the trim over on the side. You're just going to pull it forward. Just like that. It's clipped in right there on the sides. Do the same for the other side. And it just slides right off. Right, we need to disconnect these cooler lines from the cooler. Now these are pretty rusted, but you just take a straight blade screwdriver, try to get this cover off. Just be careful. Pry this down. And there's a clip in here. You can use a pick. It's clipped in right here. Try to get underneath the pick, underneath the clip. Now normally you want to save this and reuse it, but in our case we're going to replace the cooler, so it doesn't matter. Take that clip off and then just take the line, wiggle the line back and forth. This one's pretty rusty and you're going to pull it straight down. And then you'll do the same with the other side. Now if your lines are this bad, you're going to need to replace the lines as well. We're just going to have to cut these. So if your cooler fittings were this bad, when you were doing the lines, you're going to need to replace the cooler as well. You're not going to be able to break those free. We need to take this panel off. I'm going to use a trim tool, just get underneath these push pins. And you can just pull it back a little bit if you want, or you can take the whole panel off. Just get under that wire clip, take that off, and this push pin. Oops. And just slide this out of the way. Just pull it aside. And pull these lines out of this retainer right here. Just like that. And that can stay right there. Loosen up this worm clamp right here and just use a straight blade screwdriver. And you can do the same on this one. If you have a cover right here, just pull that cover off. There's a 8mm screw that goes in there. And there's another clip right here. Just slide this clip off. And grab the snorkel, pull it back. And we'll just slide it out. And disconnect this electrical connector. And then just grab the airbox and pull up and slide it out. Now take this little cover off. Just use a screwdriver. Slide that off. And you can use a pick. They do make a special tool to remove this if you have one, but you can just use a pick. Just try not to stretch this clip too much. And slide that clip out. And we can grab the line and just slide it out. And take this panel off. Use a 15mm socket. Take these bolts out. There's 4 bolts. Slide that down. I'm going to take this hose and just slide it back a little bit. Twist it down. Whoops, there's some fluid coming out. And just like that. All right, take the new line, pretty much run it the way you pulled it out. Run it this way. And twist it up. And if you have to bend the hose a little bit, that's okay. You just don't want to put any kinks in the hose. And this cover bolts in. And tighten these bolts down. Put this clip on here. And take the line, lock it in place, and put this cover over. It's just going to hold the retainer in there. Now take this little cover off here, if you have one of those, and slide this in place. And lock it in, make sure it locks in all the way. If you had to reinstall that retainer there. And then put the cover on. This is going to go into this bracket right here. Push it in. Now take this cover, reinstall this if you took it out completely. Slide this in position. And push the push pins back in position. Make sure that stays out. Alright, that's good. Push this wire tie down in and put the airbox back. Slide it in position. The part over here is going to slide, and then once it slides in, you get the other retainers lined up. And when the back part's slid in, and the front retainers are lined up, push down. That's good. Plug the mass airflow sensor back in, lock it in place. Take the intake snorkel and line this up. Put it over the throttle body and make sure this is on over here. And tighten this down. And same with this one. And put this bracket right through. And if you have a cover over there, put the cover back on. All right, take the grill and line it up. Get this lined up on the side. And just twist these. There's 4 of them. And take this bolt. Get that started. And tighten it down. And put this cover back on. And take all the push pins, put all the push pins back in. After you're done, you're going to want to check the transmission fluid level. Start the vehicle, let it run. Pull this dipstick out, wipe it off, and there's 2 areas right here. This is the hash marks where the fluid level should be when it's hot, and when it's cold, it should be down here. You can top off the fluid with the appropriate fluid, get that information from your owner's manual, and adjust accordingly.